To integrate your Interprefy account with EventsX, you will first need to log into your account. Click on the business that you wish to integrate your Interprefy account with. Go to Integrations. Click on the Install button. You have now integrated your account, and you will now be able to select an event, and within the event backend, link your account to your stage or session. You'll see the integration down at the bottom. You'll be able to add the name for the tab and put in your Interprefy URL, which you would have got while signing up with Interprefy.